Hi, this is Joan Pratt with RE/MAX Professionals, and today we're touring another lovely new listing of mine. This house is located at 3795 Castle Butte Drive in Keene Ranch. What makes this home super unique is that it is really set up for our multi-generational home buyers. We've been having a lot of our baby boomers that are moving in with their millennial kids, and this is a perfect setup. Come on, let's take a look. So we have a main floor study here with built-ins and paneling. It also has recessed lighting. You'll notice here that we have a fire suppression system. In Keene Ranch, all of their homes have a fire suppression system due to the distance from the nearest fire department. Take a look at this dramatic staircase. All the treads have been replaced and all the flooring is a solid surface engineered hardwood, and it holds up really well to your furry friends. We're going to take a look at this. One of my favorite rooms in the house is this one here. It's kind of a breakfast nook. If you look out the window to that side, you get to see Dawson's Butte. There are horseback riding trails, hiking, biking trails on Dawson's Butte, and you can see we can almost throw a stone there. If you look out this other window, you get your beautiful front range views. And as you can see, the homeowners have set up this really nice patio outside too that has sunshades because we are facing due west on the back side of this house. The deck was installed about 5 or 6 years ago, and it's in really great shape. You have no maintenance deck and no maintenance railings. Step on into this beautiful kitchen. We have a built-in speaker system. Obviously really nice appliances here. We've got the 5-burner gas cooktop. Complete with custom hood here. This is a matching Bosch double oven with convection. Here's some of our cabinet space. Really pretty exotic granite. I like the way this glass is. It has the arch, but it also has some etching in it. And we've got the matching crown molding in here. Vegetable sink. And then this is the eat-in portion of the kitchen. And it comes right here to this amazing deck. So with a lock, an extra lock. Super easy to take the outdoors in. Isn't this lovely? This property faces the back of other properties. So these lots have all been built out. There might be another barn or one exterior building, but not another primary residence. I'm gonna have you span over here to the right. You can see the neighbor has a little tree house for their kids way off there in the distance. And then you can also get a good shot from up here of the play structure and the turf that's down below. The play structure does stay. As if this deck is not enough and that deck over there, you can then step down to yet another entertaining area. And this one you can see they have set up with a fire pit, and they also have their smoker here. That whole house audio system continues out here. I forgot to tell you there is a pantry, and it's bigger than it looks. Check out that pantry. And it goes way up top too. All of the window coverings are included, and these individual windows here, in addition to opening on the bottom, they also have sunshades because again, we're facing west and it does get kind of hot. Hand troweled walls here in the main areas. We've got this beautiful shiplap, and I did mention that all the window coverings are included, so you really can move into a house that is stylish and functional as well. It's where we keep our extra diapers and our games. Lots of places to tuck away all that extra stuff. The moose is not included, but I'm sure you could find your own perfect decoration for that spot. And the fireplace is quite lovely too. Okay, so now we are going to take a look at one of my favorite parts of this house, and that is the main floor master suite. This is 5 or 6 years old and it's just stunning. So if you saw the pictures online of the master suite, it's here on the main floor. Let's take a look. Super tall ceilings. I love what they did with the wood beams across the top, and then the light fixtures that hang from the ceiling so they're not actually intruding on that stone wall. It's very quiet here. This part of the home actually used to be the 3-car garage, but I don't think anyone would mistake that for a 3-car garage now. What do you think? Wait till you get into this master bath. It has a roll-in shower, again, for our multi-generational families planning ahead. The tile goes all the way to the ceiling. There's even a ceiling fan in here. We have this exotic granite again, and they even thought to put 2 little windows up top, which we'll check out in a second. Those windows actually go into the new garage that was built around this garage, but they provide some additional light. Take a look at this amazing closet. The people that we've had through here so far have had family members that come to visit often. And so they're using this suite here for those family members that come to visit. But certainly you could move them in too, and they would have their own wing to the house. These homeowners have a couple of dogs, and so they built this cool little dog kennel. It's actually bigger inside than it looks, but I'm mostly trying to show you that there's a coat closet here. It's just beyond this dog kennel. And wait till you see the laundry room. You can even see where they feed their furry friends. And then take a look. This is the drop station. I can just imagine lots of coats and boots and shoes here in the winter. And this is another favorite part. I know I have a lot of favorite parts, but look at this. There's actually a closet for your vacuum cleaner. This one is actually more than a vac. There's a vacuum cleaner and a carpet cleaner. Okay, do you want to take a look at the garage? I know the guys are like, yes, let us look at the garage. Well, this is the door that comes right in from the garage. So let's go take a look. I didn't tell them they had to clean it up, so please forgive us for any of that. Mostly, I just want you to see the feel and the lay of the land. So this 1-car garage is attached, and obviously it is quite big because they have this big Sierra pickup truck. That's got to be a GMC, right? There's another little closet here that we can't see. They have a freezer in here, Lots of shelving built into the side and more over here. Anything that's attached to the wall with screws, like that Gladiator wall system in the back, is actually included. And then we get over here where we have the epoxy floor, and this is the RV garage. So we measured that door, I believe it's 12 feet 4 inches. And it's 35 feet long, this area. The homeowners use this every day to come in and out of the home. They have a big truck that they normally drive. But when the in-laws are here, they use the other side and they can come in and out of their master suite real easily with privacy. Great windows and lighting in here. And it is, if you do have an RV, it is quite nice because you can drive through and not have to back up. You can just drive straight through to the other side, and it does have a circular driveway. One end is over here and one end is over there. But if you just have a lot of toys, there's plenty of room for that too. I'm gonna quickly show you the side yard. They're using it as a dog run, but what I really wanna show you are these air conditioners. So there's 3 zones to the house, and these are Train air conditioners. It's very surprising how well insulated this property is and how low the utilities are. When we get back into the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and read those off to you as well. This floor is finished out with a half bath. This is your guest bathroom. It is quite lovely. I love that mirror and those lights. For your convenience, all of our homes have a home book in them. This home book has lots of additional details, including the aerial map and the survey. Oftentimes we even have the floor plans and different things like that from the county. But one of the things I wanted to show you in this one, we have our 12 months of utilities. Because this home is on a well and a septic system, you don't have a water bill. So if you're coming from Castle Rock, you're gonna be really excited not to have a water bill. And many of our surrounding areas as well. Not having a water bill is a significant savings every month. So our gas bill average for 12 months is just $111.82. That's way cheaper than my house is, and as you know, this house is quite large. The 12-month average for the electric bill is just $155.65. And so that's the 12-month average for there. So it's pretty well insulated. Those big Train air conditioners are doing a great job of keeping this house cool, but it's also, they must be laid out efficiently because the utility bills don't lie. All right, we're gonna go take a look upstairs. Well, what did you think? Could this be your next dream home? Do you have a dream of moving your mother-in-law in with you? Maybe you do. If you do, this could be your dream home. There's something for everyone here. We have the backyard for the kids and the family to play in, lots of outdoor space, just a true indoor-outdoor feel, and with the privacy of that master suite off to the side there, it really allows everyone to feel at home. And then the second master upstairs with those amazing views, I don't think anyone will feel shorted with that one either. So if this is the perfect home for you, or you think it could be, please give us a call. We'd love to schedule a private showing and to let you and your people see what you think. If this isn't the perfect home for you, we would really appreciate it if you would share with someone that might actually like it. We find that some of the best people for the neighborhood are referred by people that already live here. So we are hoping that you might be able to help us grow and to get this house sold for these folks so that they can move on to their next chapter. So thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day, and we'll see you soon.